Hello everyone and welcome to the social media sales tool video. My name is Abubakar and in this video I'll be showing you how to create an inspirational post.
Since I actually just took my time to create the how to post earlier, I would just say for the inspirational post, the only difference is me just choosing quotes that are not the how to do kind of post, the quotes rather. So you just need to open up this place, copy my quotes that are pasted here from my quote search activity, and just go straight and look for an image that would befit what exactly it is that I copied the quote for. So okay, I don't think I copied anything here yet, and if I did, so here we go. So I have this right now, and I could just copy, or better still, or better yet, just cut. So I have this right now, and all I need to do is go to the images and look for the images that best suits the quote that I just cut right now. So I just pick the image. For example, I pick this, and then as you can see, it's just a key. So I would just need to go on Canva, click on this, and I could go to my images and click on the key. So okay, I think I'm on the wrong folder. So let's see what we have in reserve. So there you go, and that's the key. So I just need to put the key here, and okay, there we go. So just make sure it covers all the edges. All right, so now we're good. So next thing, we just put the text, and as usual, I normally choose this subheading font size, so I just need to paste my quote in that, and change the font color to a contrasting color. So let's just go on the color wheel right now and see. So we have kind of like a brownish background, so I'm seeing kind of like a lighter blue than the royal blue. So I just need to change the font color to, let's say, this. Yeah, so you see how it comes out really nice, and there you go, a post right there. And all you need to do is just like other posts, click on download, copy, and put in the right place, and that's just about it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And also, if you have comments or concerns, please just drop them in the comment section and I will get back to you. And also, I've dropped the link to the social media sales tool video course in the description section. So if you want to get a copy, just click on the link and it's all yours. Thank you very much, and bye bye.